Hey everyone, this is Devin over at Sinister Machine Works. I just wanted to do a quick video on this Tormach AF50 Plus auto bandsaw. Just kind of go over, what it's like and what to expect out of it. So it's an auto feed bandsaw. It's pretty basic, just a standard bandsaw, and then they have automation on there for feeding in and clamping. So right here, you can go and set your different lengths of stock that you want. And you just set that with this thumb screw on the ball screw. You just dial it in to where you want it. For me, it takes, you can set it right here on your scale. And, to get it within a, probably 10, 20 thousandths, it takes just a little bit of dialing, but overall, yeah, it works pretty decent. It shows up to 10 inches here. And then what you do to get more than 10 inches is you can go and change your strokes. So right there, if you had it set at 10 inches and had 4 strokes, it would do a 40-inch part or 50-inch part on 5. What I've noticed is, on shorter parts, just do like a 1 stroke, but a couple of my parts are around 8 inches, and I'll use 2 strokes. I'll set it like 4. It seems to work a lot better with how that movable vise grabs, and then your front vise grabs. I had a couple that were cut short because it missed a stroke when it really could have grabbed a part. So that's just a few ideas on how to do that. And to set your height, you use this set block, and it goes up, and then you just have it so it clears your part here. And you can adjust your feed rate on the back of the cylinder there, turn it off and on. Oh, sorry about that. Turn it off and on, set your feed rate. And overall, it works pretty decent. I'll cut a couple parts here just so you can see. So just move your part up against the blade there. And I'm going to cut 2 right there. I always cut with coolant, cut aluminum. So when you're ready to go, you hit start. And it locks your front vise, and then it moved your secondary vise for pulling it back. So you'll hit start the second time, and then fed it. I run it with the coolant on, which you would for most things, especially seal related. Only thing I don't like is this. It makes a mess. And I don't know why they have it like that. But I printed up a little 3D printed piece like this. And that keeps it from dripping all over my floor. And it's really bad because it'll drip on this handle, and you can't just have a bucket under it, and it will run down the handle and get down there on the floor. So that's pretty much my only gripe on this, is that. And Tormach, if you could fix that, that'd be great. But overall, I actually really like the saw. Still using the blade that came with it from the factory. I do have some other ones to try in there, but so far this one's working great. Got any questions? Shoot me a message or comment on it. Let me know what you think. Thanks.